Hello, Trang. Good evening. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Yes. All right. So, how are you today, Trang?
I'm fine.
Well, that's great because you feel fine. All right. Where are you right now? Are you in your bedroom? Where
Yes.
are you? Oh, well, that's great. Oh, I love your bangs. Did you cut your own hair? Did you cut your hair, Trang?
No, my mother.
Oh, wow. It looks nice on you. You're so cute
No,
with
my mother cut
bangs.
my hair.
Oh, yeah, it actually looks nice on you. You know what? I also have some bangs. It's just that it is long already, like that. I used to have bangs, but it's already long. So I'm not putting it anymore. Anyway, have you eaten dinner yet, Trang? Yes or no?
What? Yes, yes.
Very good. So what did you have for dinner?
Yes.
What did you have for dinner?
I have uh I had some. I don't know what is it? It's a new food.
All right. Was it yummy?
Yes.
Oh, well, that's great because it is yummy. All right. So, anyway, for tonight, we are now in Unit 3, Mover Speaking Practice Test. Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Very good. So, look at this one. Let me remind you that whenever that you answer my question, I encourage you to answer in a complete sentence and I would highly appreciate it if you can talk as much as possible, or if you want to share as much as possible, that is highly appreciated. All right. So that will actually help you to improve more in your speaking skills and to practice speaking in English. So this is part one. There are two pictures here. We have picture one and this is picture two. So what are the differences between picture one and two? Here, Trang, you can do it.
The picture one, the car is on the bedroom, but the picture two, the car is under the bedroom. Uh, the girl on the bed is drink, but the girl in the picture two is sleep. Mm, the picture one there is a woman, but the picture two there is a man.
Very good.
The picture one there are two chairs, but the picture two there is one chair.
Nice.
Mm,
Anything else?
the chair.
So that's it. So very good because, oh, there's still one more. What is it?
The
Look,
chair.
the chair. That's done. Okay, the chair is done. Very good. So there's still another one. Look for it. Look, where is it?
Uh,
This one. What will you say like this?
I don't know.
Okay, do you know what is this? Trang, this one? What is this?
Oh, blanket.
Very good. So what will you say?
The picture one, the blanket is yellow, but the picture two, the blanket is blue.
Yes, there you go. Very good on that one, Trang. That means you found all those differences. Great job. Okay, so here, Trang, I heard you saying the picture one. Okay, so actually I understand it, but to follow a correct form of grammar, it's better to say in picture one. All right. So starting from now on, you say in picture one, the blanket is yellow, but in picture two, the blanket is blue. All right? Okay. Now I want you to look at
Yeah.
the first picture. Let's talk about it. Okay, so look, where are the people in this picture?
Mm, in this picture, the pupil is on the bed.
Are they on the bed all
Mm,
together? Try
and
again.
they are two. Oh,
Oh, yes, you are
in
right.
the
Yep.
picture,
Mhm.
there you.
Oh, hold on, Trang. Actually, you are
Okay.
right. That one person is on the bed. What I mean is them. Where are they? Are they at school? Are they at home?
They 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 study.
Do they study? Okay, you say hospital.
No,
Okay, you say hospital.
hospital.
Okay, a hospital is a place that we go to when we don't feel well. If we are sick, we have a headache, we have a stomach ache, we don't feel good, we need to go to the hospital. All right? Then I want you to look at the picture. Who are the people that you can see here? We have the daughter, we have the mom, and who is this?
Nurse.
Yes, she's a nurse. So what does a nurse do, Trang?
Mm, the Lord is help the girl.
Yes, that's right. The nurse is helping the girl. So what is the girl doing in this picture?
The girl is drink medicine.
Yeah, she's drinking some medicine. Very good. What about you? Have you ever been to a hospital before?
Yes.
Nice. So why did you go there?
Mm, I am sick.
Yes, of course. Whenever that we feel sick, we have to go to the hospital. Then once we feel okay, we just have to stay at home or go to school, then go to work like that. Okay. Now I want you to look at here, Trang. Today, this is part two. I'm going to ask you about food. All right. So first question, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food very much. But example, meat, fish, vegetable, and october.
What's that?
Uh,
Meat, fish, vegetable, then vegetable. Ah, meat, fish, then vegetable. So what other food do you like?
mm, some unhealthy food.
Some healthy food. Well, that's great. But what is your most favorite? Just like me, I like all
Uh,
healthy foods, but I only have one favorite and it's not
I
healthy. It's the burger. How about you?
I like pizza.
Wow, can you give me a high five? High five. Because we both like the food that are not healthy. Pizza, then burger are actually not good for our health. Guess what they are? Delicious, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what flavor of pizza do you like?
Mm, I like. I don't know.
Do you like pepperoni?
My mother buy it for me, so I don't know.
Oh, that is all right. So you tell me, what are the things that you can see on the top of the
Mm,
pizza? Can you see some
tomato,
tomatoes?
tomato, olive,
To
sausage.
yes. So that one is what we call pepperoni.
Oh,
That is a pepperoni pizza. So let me try to translate it in Vietnamese to see if that is really indeed a pepperoni pizza. So here is the translation. Trang, hold on. Pepperoni. Here it is.
Xúc xích pepperoni.
oh,
Is this the one?
yes.
Yeah. So look at, oh, actually, some pepperonis don't have. Some pepperonis don't have, what do we call that? Don't have tomato anymore. Okay, so they are just sausages. So this is what a pepperoni pizza look like. Is this the same thing to what your mom buys?
No,
Oh no. So this is not the one. So it's not a pepperoni. Do you like pineapple on a pizza?
no, it's not yummy.
You know what? Like here in the Philippines, it's common to see pineapples on the pizza. Yes.
Oh,
How about there in Vietnam? Can you see some pineapples on the pizza?
no,
No. Ah, all right. Well, that's really great because yes, that is right. That pineapples are actually not yummy when we put it on the pizza. Okay, so speaking of pineapple, what is your favorite fruit?
my favorite fruit is grape, apple, and
Watermelon. All right. So, wow, same. I love grapes so much. Aside from the fact that it is sweet, it's delicious, it is also purple. And I love purple. That's why. Okay. So, what do you usually eat for breakfast, Trang?
I usually eat eat breakfast. Eat bread.
Bread. Nice. What do you pair with the bread? Do you pair it with milk, coffee, or just water?
Milk.
Milk, yes. So that is perfect when we pair the bread with our milk. Okay, so where do you usually have lunch?
I have lunch in the dining room.
All right, and what do you usually have for lunch?
I usually have lunch fish.
Fish, nice. Do you cook it on your own or does your mom cook it for you?
Mm, what?
Okay, who cook the food for lunch?
My
Is it
mother.
you?
My
Your
mother.
mom.
No,
Wow, your mom really loves you so much.
I don't know.
Yeah. You don't know how to cook?
Yes.
Even rice?
Yeah.
Do you know how to cook rice?
Um. No.
How about eggs?
I I scare fried. I scare fried.
What is that? What's that? Chang?
I scary fried, so I don't like to cook.
Ah, all right. You can say I'm scared of frying. That is what. Oh, sorry. Frying. That is why I don't like to cook. Okay, can you read it, Trang?
Uh, I'm scared of frying. That is why I don't like to cook.
Yes, especially when we fry the fish, the pork, or other things, the oil will actually sometimes splash on our face and it hurts because that's hot. But there is actually a technique so that it won't happen to you. You really have to heat up the oil before putting some fish or some meat so that it won't uh so that the excess of the oil won't splash on your face. Anyway, okay, what is your favorite food to eat at school?
Mm, I don't eat at school.
Oh, you don't eat? So where do you have lunch?
I have lunch at my home.
Oh, well, that's great. Okay, so what time do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch at 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. That's great. By the way, how old are you now, Trang?
I'm this year I'm studying. I'm star seven. I'm star seven. Grade seven.
Grade 7. So you are 11 years old. Is that right? Or 13?
My birthday is late, so I'm 30 years old.
13. So yes, you are actually the same age with my sister. She's also in grade 7. But you know what? She already knows how to cook. She knows how to cook rice, egg, noodles, like that. So you should be learning how to cook now so that if your mom is not there in your house, you can eat on your own because you know how to cook. Yes. All right. So what is your favorite menu of your mom? Or what is your favorite food that your mom cook?
My mom likes fish very much. Um, about a week, my mom cook fish from Monday to Friday.
Wow, she's actually the same with my dad. He also likes fish so much and we don't like it. How about you? Do you like fish?
No, I don't like fish.
Yes, same. I don't like fish too. But I don't understand why your mom and my dad likes fish. What about your dad? Does your dad likes fish too?
No, no.
No. Same thing with my mom. My mom doesn't
But
like fish. Okay, but do you eat fish, Trang?
uh, sometimes I eat, but I don't eat very much.
Yes. So me, I eat fish only when it's fried. If it's fish soup or other recipes, then I don't like it. Only fried fish. Okay, so what is your favorite drink, Trang?
What?
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is water. S- um, s- uh, some juice and coca.
What is that? Cocoa?
Coca.
Coca-Cola?
Yes.
Oh, I really thought that it's cocoa, like cocoa powder, like that. Cocoa powder, like that. But it's Coca-Cola. Oh my God, that is not healthy. But it's good that you like water. It is okay to drink Coca-Cola, but let's say once a month, very rare, not every day.
Yes.
Water is actually good for our health. So we should at least drink 8 glasses of water every day. All right. So how many glasses can you drink? How many glasses of water can you drink in a day, Trang?
Mm, three glass of 3 glass of I don't know.
You should drink more than 3 glasses. Aim to drink at least 8.
No.
No, you can't do that.
It's very much.
That's too much. That's all right. Me, I can actually drink, let's say 8 to 10 glasses per day, like that. Okay, so you should actually make it a habit. All right. Well, do you like milk tea?
What?
Do you like milk tea?
No.
No, well, that's great because it's too much sweet. All right. So I want you to look at the picture here, Trang. What food can you see?
I can see some I can see a hot dog, a hamburger, and unhealthy fruit.
That's right. Okay, why do we call them unhealthy food?
What?
Why do we call them unhealthy food?
Because it's not good.
Yes, it's not good for our body. But you know what? Even though that they are unhealthy, they're very yummy, right? That is why we like eating it because it's so yummy. But the fact that we know that it's unhealthy, we should lessen to eat these kinds of food. Okay, so can you give me another two more unhealthy foods?
What?
Give me two more unhealthy foods.
Mm, I think fried
Fried. Very good. What else?
pizza,
Yes, pizza. That's right.
fried
Okay.
chicken, fried
Oh,
chicken.
actually, chicken is good. It's good to eat. Fried chicken is just that. If you eat fried chicken, you should make sure that you are using a clean then vegetable oil, not something that is reused. Yes. All right. But the fried chicken that we can get from Jollibee, McDonald's, KFC, they are not healthy. Yes,
Yes.
it's sad, but they're not healthy. So what about healthy foods? What is your favorite healthy food?
My favorite healthy food is vegetable, fruit, and meat.
Very good. What's your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is cucumber
Oh
salad.
wow, I also like cucumber salad. All right.
Salad.
So what vegetable you don't like eating?
I don't know. I don't know.
Do you like eggplant?
No.
All right. So yes, eggplant is something that you don't like. Okay, what about your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is grape, apple, and watermelon.
All right. So, oh yeah, you told me about it earlier. I'm sorry, I just forgot. Okay. So, thank you so much for answering my question here in part two. Well, that's great because you answer my question immediately and you avoid saying what compared to the last week session. So now I want you to look at the people in here. Okay, look at them. What are they doing?
They are eating nuts in their home.
Yes, that is right. Very good. Okay. Now, look at the time. What time do they have lunch?
Mm, I don't know. It's not.
Fair?
I don't know. I can see.
It's all right. I understand that it's not clear. So, what about you? What time do you usually have lunch?
Um, if I don't go to school, I eat none at 11:30. 11:30. If I go school, I eat none at 12:30.
Oh, yes. Well, that's great because that is still during lunchtime because lunchtime is around 11 to 1 o'clock. But 1 o'clock is already late. Yeah, so 11:30, 12:30 is fine to eat lunch. Okay, now I want you to look at the people in the second picture. Where are they?
They are in the. I don't know to say
Okay, you say
the space
canteen, school
country.
canteen.
They are
Yes,
in country.
yes. In what canteen are they in? Are they in the hospital canteen? Are they in school canteen?
Yes, school canteen.
Yes. Okay. So canteen is just like the same with cafe. They're in the school cafe, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so look at them. What are they doing?
They are eat.
That's right, they're eating. Okay, so how about you? Do you buy food from the school canteen, Trang?
Mm, I buy some candy to eat, but I don't eat. I eat none in the school.
All right. Well, that's great. Okay. So anyway, Trang, it's already time. So thank you so much for joining our class tonight. You know what? I appreciate it because you practice answering in a complete sentence. Great job on that. And you also try your best to talk as much as possible. So that is a great job for you tonight, Trang. So have a good night and see you next week. Bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.